Hello guys, this is what we have here. We have our gold daily chart here. So you can see prices at this level of our fair value gap here. And you can see that this fair value gap, it's lining up with our order block here. So I'm waiting to see price closing this fair value gap completely and then getting to this level of our order block at the same time. So you can see here, I've indicated this portion of the order block, which is the first 50% of the order block. Okay, so if price has to go beyond, I'm expecting it to play within this range here, and then we get to see within a smaller time frame, we get to see sale profiles forming. Okay, so you can see here, if you look here, price was busy going up. Okay, from the beginning, price was busy going up, and then all of a suddenly we get to see a shift in market structure here. So basically this is the lowest low and this is the highest high. Okay, so but what we have here, it's a shift in market structure, so which means price it's bearish for gold daily time frame. Okay, unless we get to see price pushing up and taking out these, then we can consider that now we have a reversal. But as we speak for now, price is bearish. Okay, so what I'm going to be looking for, since price is bearish, I'm going to be looking for any opportunity within the smaller time frame. It can be even 15 minutes. What you're going to be looking for, it's any indication that our price is most likely going down. Okay, so you're going to be looking for sell profiles within the smaller time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So let me just fix it. So if you look here, you can see that at this level here, we also have a fair value gap here, and we have an order block here. So this is the order block that we have here. So this is the order block that we have here. So basically everything is just lining up to what you have on daily time frame. So what I'm expecting here is just price to do something like this, just price to push up, get to this level, close the fair value gap completely, and then get to touch the order block also, and then from there we get to see a significant decline in price. So you're gonna be using these lows here as your targeted sell side liquidity, or as your take profit, as you like. Okay, so but basically, since we have said that price is bearish, okay, so this is gonna be our main targeted sell side liquidity. Okay, so as price is gonna be going down, taking out these lows here, it's mostly gonna be an indication that our price is most likely to continue to get to this level here of our main targeted sell side liquidity. So basically that's it for gold. It's very simple. Just wait and see what price is doing. Don't try to FOMO in. Okay, just wait, see what price is doing. Okay, so what you want to see within here, when we get to talk about sell profiles, what you want to see once price gets to close that level of our fair value gap, what you want to see within the smaller time frame is just any indication of break in market structure and order blocks forming within that time frame, and then you get to see retest of order block within that smaller time frame. So basically that's what you're gonna be waiting for. The same thing that you see on a bigger time frame is the same thing that you're gonna be expecting to see on a smaller time frame when price is now changing direction. Okay, so basically that's it for this video. Shalom.